We're in the process of preparing the base for this new driveway. We're installing a 3/8 gravel, red angle stone gravel. We had some snow, but we cleared the snow and we put some ice melted down. We're doing the final coating with the bluestone chips and doing the final compaction. We are flattening the bluestone screening. Below the bluestone screening, we installed 6 inches of oversized gravel for drainage. Doing the final compaction. We are installing system to contain the gravel. These honeycomb polypropylene panels come with the manufactured fiber mesh type of landscape fabric, very strong. This will contain the gravel. We offer many different colors of gravels and also glass chips, from reflective glasses, blue, many different colors. This driveway is going to be done with a red stone. Here we're start installing the red gravel. We are gonna fill in the crates, the honeycomb system, little by little, and then we are going to drive over with the truck to fill up the entire driveway. This is how the gravel fills in, the Gravelfix system. All the honeycombs get filled in with the gravel, which helps keeping the system down, but also it's contained, and it gives the cars a better traction and a better drainage system. The system stops the water from running and washing the gravel away. We installed 3/8 red angle stones that's mined in PA. We also use several different colors of 3/8 stones that we imported from Italy, including the Carrara marble. We also use tumble 3/8 glass that we have displayed at the showroom in several colors. This driveway apron was installed with tumbled limestone Belgium pavers, select from the Gappsi natural stone collection. It's a gray, silver, limestone, split face and tumbled. The original driveway was also in gravel. The customer's complaints were that it had better traction with the snow blower, and also the water was running towards the house. With the new system, the water gets held back by the honeycombs, and it's made to drain into the ground much faster. We have had some very heavy rains after we installed the system, and the customer is very happy with the results. He's very happy about the water not running towards the house anymore. This is the latest Gravelfix driveway installation. Laurel Hollow, New York.